Pandas assert _frame _ behavior. I am attempting to compare two data frames with pandas testing assert _frame _ These frames contain floats that I want to compare to some user-defined precision. The check _less precise argument from assert _frame _ seems to suggest that I can specify the number of digits after the decimal point compare. To quote the API reference page, check _less precise, specify comparison precision. Only used when check _exact is false. 5 digits, false, or 3 digits, true, after decimal points are compared. If int, then specify the digits to compare. API reference. However, this doesn't seem to work when the floats are less than 1. This raises an assertion error. While this does not, can someone help explain this behavior? Is this a bug?
Check _less precise works more like relative tolerance. See details below. I dug through the source code and found out what is happening. Eventually the function decimal _almost _ gets called, which looks like this in normal Python. It's in Cython. See the source code here. Here is actual call to the function. Where in this example, so the function call becomes which decimal _almost _ evaluates as, or which is false. So the comparison is based on percentage difference and not total difference, it seems. If you want an absolute comparison, check out np.lclose.